Hey y'all, it's Cassidy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're old, hello. Welcome back to, actually, if you're new, I wouldn't welcome you back. If you're new, hello. If you're old, welcome back. Hey. All right. So you guys, today I am continuing on with my Create on iPhone series / playlist and getting you guys creating on the device that you have in your hand that you carry with you everywhere. And today we're going to learn about taking photos on your iPhone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified whenever I got new stuff coming up for y'all. What else do people do on YouTube videos? Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Is Cass up in here? What it do? What's up? So today, you guys, I'm taking a photo shoot on my iPhone. This is a very common occurrence, but today I decided to record it. I'm gonna check my closet, see what's clean, and go based off of that. But I need to get dressed. I need to get my hair together. I need to get my face together. I need to get my life together, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, you guys. So the first thing I like to do if I'm doing a shoot on my phone that's kind of serious, that's kind of themed, that's kind of purposeful, it's not like my friend taking a picture of me before I go out to a party or something like that, then I usually like to sit down and really plan the theme out. I typically will make my themes around the wardrobe that I'm wearing. So the first important thing for me is to go into my closet, or if you want to, you can order some clothes online, or you can make some clothes or get some of your parents' vintage clothes, but find whatever outfit you want to do so you kind of know the theme of the shoot and the background that you're looking for. Once you got your outfit, go ahead and get your look together, however you're going to style your hair, if you're going to do your makeup, any jewelry, accessories that you want to add, and bang, bang, booda bomb, bang, bang, pow. You good to go. Let's start shooting. All right, so this is the point where I start to set up the set area. So wherever I've decided to shoot, if I'm using the sun as my lighting, great. I don't have too much set up there. I'll probably just get my phone, get my tripod, my phone tripod, put my phone on my phone tripod, turn on the self timer and get to it. If I'm shooting in something more of a studio environment or an indoor shoot, then I'm gonna have to set up and get some lighting together. So that's all gonna go in there. If it's possible, I would suggest actually doing setup before you go into hair, makeup, and wardrobe, because you don't want to be all sweaty and you might be wearing heels and you don't want to be moving lights and plugging stuff in while you looking like a supermodel. All right, so now you're ready to shoot. So be creative with the poses, you guys. Yes, you can do standard poses, but I promise you, you're gonna get bored, or you're gonna stop and you're gonna look at your photos and be like, I don't like these, I'm done, I quit, I'm throwing my iPhone, I'm gonna crush it, I'm gonna put it in the microwave and see what it does. If you want to, you can incorporate props. So just be fun, be creative.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, then I double up again under their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm 10 to 1 if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade and a sheath, a shank and a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up they sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they will lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are now experimenting, having fun during this quarantine time, using the devices and the things you have available to you for new uses, new capabilities, and creating new content, posting your content, releasing your content, keeping content for yourself, ordering prints of your content, getting ordered to you. You know, there's so many fun things you can do with this. So I hope you guys enjoy, have a great quarantine lifestyle, and peace out, man.